Hi guys, welcome to another day of Techly Things. Now today I'll be showing you how to change the transmission fluid in a 2010 Honda CRC. Well, I've taken the liberty of doing a lot of things, so I'll just be going afterwards. So first you need to open the hood of the car, which is what I'll be doing here, because you need to take off the dipstick. So here we go. Right, so the dipstick is right there. It has the HMM on it to take it off. There we go. Right, so the car is already jacked up and the wheel has already taken off. So what you will see there is that nut. I did open it before videoing it, so I'm just going to show you how it looks. And here it goes. You don't need any nut to do it, it's just for the extension you put inside of that, and there you go. It was already open, so that's not a lot of stress towards it. Once it is open, the oil will eventually run out. You try to raise the car and get it as level as possible. There we go. Make sure all of it is drained off. You give it some time, and after it's finished, you wipe off the bolt that is not in the video, and then you tighten it. So pardon me for not showing you that, but it has already been wiped off, and I use it to tighten clockwise. There we go. And once that is tightened, you put a funnel inside of the port, and you pour the oil inside of it. I have problems there because I'm just holding the camera while porting, so bear with me there. Once you pour it in,